Hey gang, welcome to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. Gang, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's seeing themselves through this challenging time that we're going through. Today I wanted to share with you something that we got involved with, something we're participating in, that is, and it's called the CSA. Now a CSA is a community supported agriculture program. And it's usually, you'll see them at farmers markets and around here in New Jersey. We're considered the garden state. But if you ask most of the people where your lettuce comes from, they say ShopRite or Wegmans or Whole Foods or whatever. So we were turned on to this by a business associate of ours, and it was something to to try. Again, it's a system where you take the consumer, which is us, the consumer of the food and the like, and puts us in touch directly with local farmers. Now, you look at the math here in the maps in New Jersey, the western portions, and the western and the southwestern and then the central regions of our state is loaded with farmlands. Those of you who maybe have flown into Newark Airport only see the chemical plants and all that, but believe me, New Jersey is not the garden state for nothing. So today was the first week of pickups for our CSA. So I went to pick this up, and everyone, depending on your annual membership, you get a weekly share. Okay. And it's one of this, one of this, one of this, and everything's all marked into bins. I think what I'll do is I'm going to bring this with me. I'm going to bring this and I'll film it. It's really pretty simple. What they'll do is they pick everything from the harvest for the week. Everything goes in the big Rubbermaid tubs, and you choose what you want, just like going to the store. But it's all paid for in advance, and it helps support the farmers. And we really don't know what we're going to get. We have an idea, but as far as what it is, we don't know. This part of the year, it's mostly lettuces and leafy stuff. So, and then as the summer progresses, hence your gourds and your berries and your other vegetables, tomatoes. Tomatoes are big in New Jersey. So all this is very exciting. It's all very new, and I wanted to share this with you. So this is the first week that we've got, right? So it's very interesting. So the first thing was your basic nice Bibb lettuce. Look at that. And you could actually smell the lettuce. Everything when we go into the supermarkets, it's all big time agriculture and the like. But now this is lettuce. Look how green that is. I hope that it does it. And I think this is butter lettuce. It's soft. It's not crunchy and like but this is an actual plant. What we'll do is when you use it, if you're only going to use part of it, take only part of this, what you need, and leave the rest of the stalk. It'll help keep it stay better. I will probably do a video on proper care moving forward, but I was dying to just taste that. And that's what lettuce tastes like. Wow, that's what lettuce tastes like. That's good. Okay. The next item we got is frisee. I guess I got to research on what to do with frisee. I think what we're going to have is big salads for a couple days. But oh wow, that taste of that lettuce really stays with you. Oh, that's good. There's our frisee. So we'll do that, and I'll also go over how to properly wash them and just cut a little dirt. That's good. The next is Swiss chard. Okay, I've seen recipes on that, so Again, as you can see, we're getting into the leafy greens. Again, this makes all for great salad stuff. What else do we have here? What is this? Arugula. Arugula is good. We like arugula. You like arugula?
I like arugula.
Wow, that's good. Look at that, big salads. And then, what came out of the ground? Radishes. We got some fresh radishes. So we got a bunch of radishes. These are all good stuff. And usually what you see is you'll see this in your local farmer's market. And the herb that we got, that we chose, was oregano. Fresh oregano. You know, the people go, what's oregano? Well, that's the stuff in the jar. Yeah, well, that's a whole different ballgame. And it's strong. It's very, very strong. So I just wanted to share with you the bounty of the week. All leafy green stuff, and you know, more to follow. So I'm going to give you guys a quick update each week via my Instagram. All right, so you'll see that. I'll put a link to the Instagram. We'll do some pictures on that. So again, I just wanted to make this quick video, show it with you. Remember, support your farmers. That's where food comes, people. So whenever you get a chance, go to your local farmers market. It's a great time. They're very knowledgeable about the foods that they make for you, and a pretty good chance you might even learn a new recipe or two. So again, for me, my kitchen, all that great stuff, we'll see you, and we hope to talk to you really soon. Bye-bye.